Today we're back with doing Lego videos. Okay, today we're building actually there's no we. Today we're doing it a little bit differently. He's gonna build a Lego set and I'm gonna build a Lego set. And now I get to build my favorite Ferrari. I should have brought my Ferrari jacket. It's actually in the trunk of my car, but I'm too lazy to go and get it. And then there's McLaren, which is Tyler's favorite, or our second favorite, because of Lando Norris. Lego! What's wrong with Lego? Let's go, Lego. I got McLaren with 269 pieces. Nice. Funny number. I bet yours is not a funny number.
Mine's 75.
Oh yeah, be ashamed of yourself. It's not a funny number. Tie versus tie. We're gonna time it, and who can build the Lego first? Win. Oh, I got bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag. That's ready. Ready. Steady. Go. Dude's going so quickly already. Okay, what do you want to talk about? You just gonna be quiet this whole time? Okay, if we can just be quiet this whole time, I guess I'll talk. Let's see. Well, yeah, guys, so basically, like I was saying, I kind of got into F1 because of Tyler. I don't know when he got into it, but yeah, I got into it. It was pretty amusing. I definitely was like, ooh, racing. Mind you, when I was little, I used to love NASCAR. That was my thing. I used to love NASCAR for whatever reason. So McLaren F1 are completed.
What? I don't know.
It doesn't say that you can do that on your phone. It says it's 2 meters long. 6.5 feet long.
That's crazy.
I don't think this is 6.5 feet long. I hate to break it to you guys, it's not 6.5 feet long.
Maybe
But yeah, we're gonna work on Tyler's off camera. Whatever step he's on.
12 o'clock midnight.
Alright, Tyler, what time is it?
It's 12:20 in the morning.
And what did you just do?
I just finished this.
Oh, you finished it.
I finished it. It only took me 3 hours. But like, let's be real, we were looking for pieces and stuff, but we found all the pieces, and somehow, some way, with determination, this is the Ferrari car. I don't know what to say. I think it turned out okay. I think that it came out exactly how
Just
it's
don't
supposed
look
to.
under it because look at
There's
it
only
looks
like,
fine. There's only like a couple pieces missing.
There's only and I'm being real right now. There's only one piece. Literally, there's only one piece missing.
And it's somewhere in my garage.
Literally. Or like I bet you can't even tell where it's missing.
Yeah, it's on display. You won't tell.
You can't even tell where it's missing. So, I mean, maybe it just won't be as durable. But like even like the underside, like you can't even tell. Like actually from here you could probably tell if you look closely.
Yeah.
But it rolls. I think this would go faster than the red one. I like how they basically look the same. But I told Tyler this. It's like, this is literally how it is. Italian cars, Ferrari, it's hard to make. And it's like, and it's so true. Like even in Legos apparently. Cause like this is where I lost it. This is literally like trying to get all this together is where I lost it. And I missed it by one piece. But we finished it. You know?
Happy Tyler.
Yay! I'm so sad, guys. I was actually so mad. So this is a public dress announcement. As much as we have an epic Tyler destruction, that's where the destruction needs to stay. Because you live with regret. You don't want to live with regret. And I regret that within 5 seconds of throwing it. Because I was mad. But good content.
I suggest don't, in future, okay. Kids, don't break your Legos, please. Don't break your Legos.
Don't throw your stuff.
It takes,
It wasted.
longer
It
than
wasted
film.
2 hours of our lives. We should be asleep right now. I have a class literally in about 7 hours. Yeah, I have class in 7 hours. So that's just great. That's just so fun. But you know, we're gonna keep on making Legos because it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. But yeah, back to past Tyler's.
but don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye!